Hello, the other time I made a video on how to remove watermark from video, and some people were asking me to explain more about it and how they can get the app. So today I'm going to show you how to remove watermark easily from your video and how you can get the app. So endeavor to watch till the end so that you will not miss out any step or any procedure on how to go about it. So what you do now is go to your Play Store and look for video watermark remover. I already have it on my phone, so I will look for it. Watermark. Okay, video watermark. That's what it's called here, but in Play Store is watermark remover, something like that. So I will open it. After I open it, it will bring me to this surface like this. And what I will do, you can see, apart from removing watermark, you can also add watermark to your video. You can also trim, crop your video, change the background of your video, then change your video format, then the speed of your video. You can flip video, you can compress video, and other things you can do with this one app. So I want to remove watermark from my video. What I'll do now is to click on the remove watermark, and I'll look for the video I want to remove the watermark. Yeah, I want to remove the watermark from this video. So after selecting it, you can see from your screen here, there are two places that there's watermark on this video. There are two places that there's watermark on this video. The first one is down here. The second one is this CapCut watermark here. So what we'll do now is to drag. I want to first of all highlight this down, the one at the down, this red watermark here. So I'm going to highlight this one here first. How will I do that? I'll just click on my screen and drag. You see, it will form a kind of a rectangle on my screen. So I will drag it to fit in the place that the watermark is. And I'll also go to the up one and also drag. You see? So we have two places that we have watermark we want to remove here. So I want it to start from the beginning. So I will drag this slider. Then you will see from the beginning to the ending of the video, the watermark has been highlighted. So what I will do next is to export. So at the end of the day, so you choose your, if you are in Pro version, you can export in full HD, and if you are using the free version, you can export in HD 7p. So I want to export in full HD. You can see now it is processing. So depending on the length of your video, that's how long it will take to process. Depending on the length, it might take longer time. If you have a very long video, you understand. So to get this app, you just have to check on the comments section. First of all, you have to go to Play Store. You can download it from Play Store if you want to, and subscribe for the Pro, or you can get it from the comment section. I will drop a link where you can get it. So as you can see, it has been successfully removed. Look at now. I want to play the video. You can see there's no more watermark in the video. So that's how you remove watermark from your videos. Thank you for watching. Like I said, go to the description to get where you can download the Pro version, to know how to download the Pro version. Endeavor to subscribe, like, comment so that others will learn. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section. Thank you once again. See you in my next video.